Go from basic to edgy with this simple lipstick color hack in Adobe Photoshop. Start by importing your photo onto Photoshop and zooming in on those lips. Select your pen tool on the left panel and start to outline the lips by clicking various points along the borders of your lips. Now, right-click the layer and click Make Selection. Make sure to set the feather radius to 12 pixels and click OK. Now that the lips are selected, open Layers on the right panel and right-click on Create New Fill. From here, you can change the color by first clicking Solid Color and then select the lipstick color of your choice. Now that you have the perfect color, open the drop-down menu up here and select Multiple. See what I did there? Next, you're going to right-click on the color layer and select Blending Options. From here, you can play around with different settings until you have them looking exactly the way you want them. If you like this video and want to see more, please like the video and let me know in the comments what other types of videos you would like to see. Don't forget to follow me to stay updated on new uploads. See you in my next vid!